I caught that.
How was that? Did I get up?
Huh?
Did I get up?
You get pretty good air. Maybe like 2 feet.
Crazy.
I know, it's taking its sweet time. I think he's trying to come through. Here we go.
Oh!
Ah!
Yeah.
Oh! How do you fall on the top, man? You totally stopped her. Can't throw your hands up in victory.